Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you my February Luxury Divas. Guys, I am loving this subscription, so thank you to Lois and Pat from Blessed GMP who showed this subscription to me because I think it is absolutely awesome. I have yet to be disappointed with the box, so without further ado, let's see what they put in this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Feels a little light, but, you know, it's clothes and stuff. Can't expect it to be super heavy, right? All right, let's open this up. Okay, they have that, and then it looks like this when I open it up right there, but then, like, if you take this off, it has their little logo sticker right there. So let's pop this open and see what they sent me. Ooh, fun. Okay, so the first thing I have is Killer Legs Fishnet Pantyhose. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these guys. Yay, I love them. Guys, I am down for some fishnets. I know that might not be for everybody, but I rock a fishnet. Did they put the right size? I hope so. Oh, I don't want to open this all the way up though. One size fits most because I want to take a picture for my Instagram. So it says 5 feet to 5'10". So they should fit me, but here's what they look like out of the package, guys. So super cute. Ah! Guys, I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm going to put these back in because I didn't take my pictures for Instagram yet. So, oh, how cute. So it says, that's a Valentine XO shaped pretzels. So you get some little pretzel treats in there. That's cute. Very nice. All right. So, oh, it fell out. There's something that's supposed to be in here that it fell out. So that's fine. Oh, let's get this. How pretty. So we have this pretty wallet. It's got a little heart on the front of it. How cute is that? Okay. I'm down. I didn't expect a wallet. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Super cute, guys. We have, you know, a pocket right here. And then we got the nice little zipper pocket right there. Okay. I mean, and then, of course, there's a pocket right in there. Little strings and stuff in there, but that's okay. That's not a big deal at all. This is cute, guys. I mean, it's not super high quality or anything, but, I mean, it's cute. Whatever. I might use it or pass it off to somebody else. We'll have to see. And then this is a Mineral Bronze Blush, Sunkissed. Okay, this is pretty. I don't know if I'll use this or not. I might. I mean, it's really pretty. You know what? I will use it, honestly. The more that I'm looking at it, as I'm looking at it in the camera, showing you guys, I definitely think that I'm going to use this. So that's cool. Okay, awesome. So I like those colors. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Okay. All right, let's move on. Ooh, pretty. So we have a purple, like a beanie hat. So cute. Let me hold it up like a better way. But this is cute. I love the ombre situation going on here with the hat. That is cute. I'm definitely not going to try it on because I have a conference call that I have to be on. So I am not going to try that on right now. So then we have this cute. So this really cute bracelet here, guys. This is cute. Let me just hold it up like this. All right, that is cute, guys. I love it, love it, love it. I love this. This is really cute. Okay, so I'm down. Yeah, I'm down for sure. Okay, so the last thing in here is the shirt. And this is a size medium black shirt. It's cute. Ah, it's cute. Look, guys. Are you seeing how the sleeves look to be 3/4 sleeves? And I don't know how to explain this part right here, but it's not like super tight right there, but it'll cinch up right here on your arm. And then the back here has this little tie, like a keyhole tie thing. This is really cute. So I will try this on for you guys, but not right at this minute, but I will try it on for you guys. And I will have a little clip at the very end of the video of me, probably most likely in my slipper socks, trying this on my staircase. All right, guys, I loved it. This was a great little box. I really don't wear hats very much, but this is so super cute. I would definitely rock that hat if I ever do wear one. But for the most part, I am super happy with this box. It is $30 a month for this box. I will link everything in the description box below if you should be interested in getting this one. Okay, Okay, guys, so I don't know where I'm going to put this in at, but I'm going to have to interrupt myself because I was just so excited to unbox this that I forgot to go over the cost of each item and the total value for the box. So let me do that really quick. I'm not sure where I'm going to interrupt myself, so I'm interrupting right now. And the black loose fit top with the back tie detail, so the black shirt, is $26 value. And then the pink long organizer wallet with the heart closure was a $16 value. The leaf pattern fishnet tights, wowzy, those are a $19 value. Wow, guys. I mean, wow. Okay, purple ombre beanie cap. The value of that is $16. And then we have the sterling silver plated double heart pendant chain bracelet. That value is $25. And last but not least, we have the Italian Deluxe Sun-Kissed Blush and Bronzer Palette. The total value of that was $14, making the total value for this box $116. So again, guys, I paid $30 a month for this, so I got $116 value for the $30 that I paid for this box. I feel that it's 1,000% worth it. Let's jump back into whatever I was talking about in the video. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday and Luxury Divas. I felt off the entire thing. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday and in subscription. I spit everywhere again. I'm just a big time spitter, apparently. Try it again.